In this video, I'll show you what's actually possible and the updated way to manage or hide your orders in the Amazon app. So start by opening the Amazon app on your phone and log into your account. Now, here's the truth. Amazon does not allow you to permanently delete order history from your account. But don't worry, you can hide or archive orders instead. So to start, tap on this person icon down here at the bottom. Now, once you tap that, at the top, you need to click on account besides interest. And once you're here, what you need to do is to tap on your orders. So tap the first one that you see. Now here you'll see a list of everything you've purchased. Now as you can see, it says here I haven't placed an order in the last 3 months. But if you have done so, select the order you want to hide. And if the option is available, tap archive order. This removes it from your main order list. Now the archive option may not appear in the app. If you don't see it, open Amazon in a browser and switch to desktop mode. So you can go to Amazon website, log in, and open your orders, and click on Archive Order. Now, once archived, it won't show in your default order history. You can still access them anytime by going to Archive Orders, so they're hidden, not deleted. Use archiving for privacy, especially for gifts or personal purchases you don't want easily visible. And that's the updated way to manage your Amazon order history. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.